Hey guys, how to fix iPhone network problem. Today in this video, I gonna talk about few method. I hope by using this method, your problem will be solved. So let's see. At first, you turn on the airplane mode on your phone. Then after 15 to 20 seconds later, again turn off the airplane mode. To do this, you go to settings. Now here you see the airplane mode. You turn on this. Then wait 15 to 20 seconds. Then you turn off the airplane mode. Method 2, restart your iPhone. Method 3, remove the SIM card from your phone. Then after few minutes later, again insert the SIM card on your phone. Maybe the SIM card on your phone is not seated properly or the SIM card is damaged. So you check the SIM card and again insert the SIM card on your phone. Method 4, reset network settings. To do this, you go to settings. Then from here you tap on general. Then here you scroll down. From here you tap on reset. Then you tap on reset network settings and you follow the procedure to reset network settings. That's for today guys. I hope by using this method your problem will be solved. Thank you.